So today, I know I look insane, but we're gonna put makeup on my face and we're gonna fix my hair at some point. Today we're gonna do a euphoria inspired makeup look. I have all of these little jewels that will possibly be going on my eyes or my face somewhere. I saw some photos on Pinterest. I've also seen the entire first season. It's amazing. But basically, the makeup artist decided to do like these really cool makeup looks on the characters. I want to focus more on the character named Maddie. She has like this rhinestone wing liner, which is crazy. I'm going to show you. And that's what I'm going to try to do today. So emphasis on the try. Basically, that wing liner I love. Like, that is so freaking cool. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids because that is really important. I'm gonna start off with the eyes today because, you know, we're working with rhinestones and stuff. I just don't want to have foundation on my face before all that fun stuff starts happening, you know, because chances are I'm gonna mess up pretty bad, but we're learning. Like I said, this is an attempt. We don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer and my shade is C18, and we're gonna blend that out now with something. I'm not sure what. I'm sweating. Yes, I know I'm wearing a sweater. Am I gonna take it off? No. I think for the base, I just wanna do like really neutral eyeshadow since I wanna use the rainbow crystals that I have on the wing. So we're gonna focus mostly on these, but I do have pearls as well. So if you guys wanna see a video on me using those pearls, then let me know in the comments. Just gonna set that with a gigantic brush, like we all do, right? And now I think I'm going to use this Morphe palette. What are you called? Do you have a name, sir? I think it's called 15 something. I just threw out the box, so I'm not sure. Let me check. Okay, so it's called the 15N Night Master palette. There's a lot of little neutral shades here, so I think I'm gonna focus mostly on these guys. I don't think I'm gonna do any shimmers because we're putting jewels on our face. So yeah, let's go. The first shade I wanna use is called Selfie. It's like a very warm brown color. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the darker warm brown. It's called Shook. The wing is gonna be really, really big because I wanna be able to fit the rhinestones comfortably on the lid. So the wing is gonna be probably very, very thick. I personally like wearing thick wings, but especially for this look, it's needed. All I've done is put a little bit of a darker shade called Hello mixed with another shade called Scene. They're very dark browns, and I just put them on the outer corner. It's gonna look pretty messy right now, but once you put the wing and of course when you have your foundation on, it's gonna look so pretty. It's just pretty much do a brown smoky eye is what I'm trying to do. And I'm gonna use the whiter shade called Custom, and I'm gonna put that on the lid using just this Morphe M167 brush, pretty much a flat packing brush. I'm gonna put that on the lid because we're gonna do that very, very thick wing soon, and I want there to be a really nice base. And now I'm just taking the warm brown and I'm gonna mix that with the darker brown that we have in the corner and the whiter shade, the cream color. And I'm just gonna put that in the middle and kind of sandwich them together. Now to the hard part. The wing. Actually the rhinestones are going to be really hard too, but I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner and also one of these mini Kat Von D tattoo liners. Okay, so that's what we have for this eye. I'm gonna clean it up with a wipey and then I'll be back when they're complete. Wow. So these are definitely thicker than I ever imagined possible, but I just kept going thicker and thicker because I was thinking about the gems, and I don't know, I think this should be a good place for them to live. So we're just gonna try it out. Nobody judge me, all right? No one judge me until the whole look is finished, okay? Okay. So how many are here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 6 that are gonna go on my eye. Probably like a little gem like this that has like, it's like a rainbow holographic looking type gem. I might put that on the inner corner and on the tip of the wing, or like almost the tip of the wing, because they're smaller than these rainbow guys. So I got this at Michael's. You can get them at any craft store. So, you know, if you guys are in the market for some rhinestone stickers, now you know. So I'm just gonna take some tweezers that I have and I'm gonna try my best to put that on my eye. Dare I say it works. You see that little gem? That feels very strange. Okay, I just put a pink one. Now it's time for an orange one. Okay, so she's a little bit higher up than the other one, but I think I'm just gonna leave it. Yellow time. Can you guys see that? Wow. Love. Okay, green. It's time for green. I'm just thinking about the fact that I have to do this to my other eye, and it's scaring me. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna do the blue, and then after that we're gonna do purple. This is a lot easier than I thought. I don't want to be speaking too soon, but I have a freaking rainbow in my eyes right now, so I'm feeling pretty confident. That is my dog making noise. It's not my stomach rumbling. I already ate some Chipotle. Do you want to go outside? That's what it's looking like right now, guys. You see that? Wow, look at me. So I have pretty much the base of my wing, of my rainbow. So I'm just gonna get these tiny little rhinestone things, and I'm gonna put one in the front and one on the tail so that it doesn't look all awkward and empty. No. Yeah, I think that works. And then one in the front. I wish I could just like copy and paste this to the side. Take 27. Ooh. Oh, I dropped it. I got it on my eye, but it wasn't in the correct position. So, take 28. I did it. Guys, guys, look at my freaking eyeball. It looks like I'm missing some gems, but I'm not. It's just I have blue and purple on the end and they're not as bright. So I'm actually pretty impressed with myself, okay? It came out so much better than I was expecting, and it was a lot easier to place, obviously, with those tweezers. So yeah, instead of filming the other eye, I'm just gonna do that off camera and then I'll be back, okay? Okay, so I finished this eye. It honestly hasn't even been that long since I stopped recording the previous clip. So you guys can do this on your own. Like, you don't need to be a professional makeup artist to do this. It's honestly really easy as long as you have tweezers and you have sticker rhinestones, because I'm not using any lash glue. I feel like that would be really messy. So I'm gonna do my foundation and then I'll be back later. Bye. Okay, so for highlight, the one I'm gonna be using is the Dose of Colors collaboration with Desi and Katie. I have the one called Fuego. So I'm gonna just use this setting spray that I love so much. The Morphe x Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist in the Starberry scent, which is really good, actually. I love it. It's such a fine mist. Oh, you know, I also have this Tartist palette thing, and there's some highlights in here. I just don't know if they work for me. There's a gold one, which I guess I could try it out. It's called Headliner. Pretty cute, pretty cute. I love brow bone highlights. So pretty. I'm trying to think if I should put an inner corner highlight. I think I am. Let's see how that looks. Ooh. I'm gonna take this Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. It's like a warm brown. I'm gonna take this Sephora lip paint. I think it's called a lip paint. Lip stain in the color 76. Oh my gosh, last thing I have to do is the mascara, which I wasn't gonna do because the wing is so thick. Honestly, do you have to wear mascara? Maybe a little bit. So we're just gonna take the Go Big or Go Home Kat Von D mascara. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Please let me know if you want me to do some other Euphoria style makeup looks, because I'd be so down to do it. I love the concept of the show, so if you guys really want to see where this idea came from, you should watch Euphoria on HBO. This sounds like I'm getting paid to say this. That's so funny. I have like nobody watching this video, but if you are watching, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It would make me really happy. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.